Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host.
Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna, and this morning we're visiting with Jason Phillips. He's a Simpson County Extension Agent for Agriculture and Natural Resources. Good morning, Jason.
Good morning, Joanna.
Well, I'm glad you're here today because we're going to talk about a program that we've done for several years. And it really focuses on training commercial applicators.
That's right, yeah. So the Southern Kentucky Commercial Pesticide Applicator Training is something that we developed, like you said, several years ago, and we wanted an opportunity for our dealers and those individuals needing CEUs and CCAs an opportunity to get those close to home without having to travel a long distance.
Yeah, because when you have your commercial pesticide application card, that requires you to go get some continuing education units each year.
Exactly.
And keep up to date on that. And so this program kind of really targets those individuals to give them some up-to-date information that's really useful for whatever operation that they're in.
Yeah, all our commercial dealers are required to keep, you know, education hours up or retake the test, and nobody loves taking tests. So we want to offer these opportunities for both our grain applicators as well as horticultural and turf-related applicators opportunities to keep those hours up.
Absolutely. Now, when is the event this year?
So the event is December 3rd and 4th, and it's at the Logan County Extension Office, which is where we've always had it in the past. And again, all area applicators, commercial applicators, or anybody needing CCAs or CEUs are invited to come. And so it's going to be December 3rd and 4th. It's always the first Monday and Tuesday in December.
Yeah. And usually we're finished with harvest. This year's a little bit different, but hopefully these applicators will be able to get away and come. Now, it's an all-day training, right?
It is. So the first day is grain focused, and so all the CEUs that are going to be offered are going to be more geared towards those applicators that are grain focused. And then the second day is more horticulture and turf focused, and so individuals applying herbicides or pesticides in these type of sectors.
Yeah, golf courses, parks, all that.
Right-of-ways, things like that. And so those will be available on the 4th.
Okay, and do people need to RSVP and tell us that they're coming?
A meal will be served at the event. So yes, in order to get an accurate meal count, we will need to know if you intend to come. So if you could just call in to your local county extension office and let them know which day and how many individuals are planning to come.
Absolutely, but anything from like sprayer calibration, I know one of the most popular topics is always the Kentucky State Police when they come and they talk about transportation and roadways.
Roadway regulations.
And that's on the agenda again, right?
Exactly, yeah. So typically if they come every year, which a lot of our dealers do, you know, that'll fulfill your requirements for your continuing education units.
And if they can't
to maintain your certification.
Absolutely. If they can't come to this one, there's a website where you can go. But usually, if you haven't looked at your card to see when it expires, a lot of people wait till the very end of the year because everything gets busy. And so I know we've had people come from all over the state just trying to get those last few hours.
Well, you can view your hours, how many, you can pull up your own information to see how many hours that you need in order to maintain certification, and also see where those training opportunities are available. So let this serve as a reminder too, pull out your card, see when it's due, and see how many hours that you need to keep that card up to date. Yeah,
and we have a lot of counties in South Central Kentucky that border Tennessee, and so this is kind of a dual certification for Kentucky and Tennessee, right?
Yes, hours will also be available for Tennessee. We got a lot of our Kentucky applicators that go into Tennessee, and a lot of Tennessee applicators that come into Kentucky, so we see a lot of crossover there. Therefore, we offer both Kentucky and Tennessee continuing education hours.
Yeah, and so people probably need to check. If you're applying any type of pesticide and you're getting paid for that in any shape, form, or fashion, you probably need to check the rules because you probably need your commercial commercial applicators license, and
Right.
there's some steps to do that.
Exactly.
But what a great thing to have a training right here close to home that people can come to.
Sure. Yeah.
All right. Well, Jason, if people have more information, can they contact you at the Simpson County
They
Extension
can.
Office?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and he will get you all the information on the number of hours, CCAs, all the credits available. But we hope to see you on December 3rd and December 4th at the Logan County Extension Office. Thanks for watching the Farm and Home Show, and have a great day.
If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.